Time flies so quickly. I didn't realize that we are now in our Science Tidbits episode 3. For this episode, we will see the similarities and differences between a human and a tree. Come and join me. People and trees have far more things in common than many of us realize. There are many similarities between people and trees. 1. Both human and plants need air. Plants need carbon dioxide from air to perform photosynthesis. About 0.03% of air consists of carbon dioxide, which is released in the air by respiration of animals, combustion of fossil fuels, and decomposition of waste matter. Humans need oxygen. It is the air that we breathe, and that is a good thing because we could not live without it. Oxygen is so important that it will lead to death if you are deprived of it for only a short time. 2. Both human and plants need water. Water is an extremely important factor for the survival of plants and has the same function in plants as blood in animals. It acts as a transportation medium in plants to bring food to different parts of the plant. Plants also use water to maintain their temperature. Every human needs water to survive. That is the bottom line. But why? The human body weight is approximately 60% water. At birth, the body is about 75% water, and it decreases over time. The human body makes use of water in all cells, organs, and tissues. This water helps regulate body temperature and also helps maintain bodily functions. 3. Both human and plants need food. All living forms need energy for their survival. This energy is gained by food. Plants are also living forms, so they need food to live. They make their own food by the process called photosynthesis. The human body needs food for energy, to keep warm, and for growth and repair. We need many nutrients on a daily basis in order to stay healthy. The three main food groups are carbohydrates, protein, and fats. We also need minerals and vitamins. 4. Both are living things, therefore they move, reproduce, grow, and sense and respond. Movement happens in all living things. Trees may show very little movement as against to humans. A living thing can make a copy of itself through reproduction. Humans give birth to babies, and most plants use seeds to reproduce. Living things can sense what is going on around them and are able to respond to it. The differences between a human and a tree. A human is a head, arms, and legs. He can move from place to place by himself. Humans have to grow, hunt, and gather food, but he cannot produce his own food in his system. The three main parts of a plant are stem, leaves, and roots. Each part has a set of jobs to do to keep the plant healthy. They can move some parts by themselves, but plants cannot move from place to place. Trees also have the ability to make their own food in the process called photosynthesis. Trivia: the tallest trees in the world are redwoods, which tower above the ground in California. These trees can easily reach heights of 300 feet. Among the redwoods, a tree named Hyperion dwarfs them all. The tree was discovered in 2006 and is 379.7 feet tall. Shortly after it was measured and deemed the world's tallest, a writer for the New Yorker climbed close to the top and described what it was like to stand there. He said, "A wind had begun to blow, and the top of Hyperion swayed back and forth," wrote Richard Preston. We have such a wonderful time together. If you want to get an up-to-date video from our Science Tidbits, please do subscribe down below. Also, write your comments here. Until then, this is Mr. Louie in the house!